Guys, Rachel here, and welcome back. So as you can see, my face today is completely filled with acne. Really not happy with it. Suffered from acne for a really long time, and it goes through phases where it gets worse, it gets better, all of these things. Now it's definitely one of those times where it's getting worse. So I'm just gonna walk you through what I do for my skincare, especially when I have acne. And part of it's going to include some random tips and tricks because a lot of people don't have the option to go outside of their home to get acne cream, different things like that. So I'm just going to be throwing in some DIY acne solutions. Okay, so the first thing I always do is wash my face. So when I have more severe acne, I use this face wash right here. It's a glycolic acid face wash that has tea tree, peppermint, lavender, shea butter, honestly just a bunch of different natural ingredients. So I'm going to wash my face with this. So now that my face has been completely washed, I made sure to really scrub. You can see some of my pimples are actually irritated. I'm going to be taking a clump of tissue paper. Use wisely because we are in quarantine and everyone's running for it, but I'm just going to take it and dab over my face just to dry it off. So the reason that I'm using tissue paper instead of an actual towel is just because towels tend to hold in the bacteria, and I don't know if it was washed well or anything like that, so I really just don't want to risk putting new bacteria onto my face when it is breaking out so much. The step of taking care of my face is to apply this moisturizer. It's called Instant Natural, but I love it because it's actually a retinol lotion, and the amount you need to spread over your entire face is so minimal. Look at this. I'm going to use this much on my entire face and it'll still be too much. So rub it in. Okay, now my face is completely cleaned and moisturized. Now I'm going to be doing a little extra steps for my pimples specifically. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is actually taking a hot compress and putting them directly on the blemishes themselves. What that's going to do is just draw all the bacteria to the top and just help shorten the life of the actual pimple. A hot compress is essentially just a towel, a tissue, and you put boiling hot water on it and then you press it on your face. So I got it wet and now I'm just going to hold it. Now that I held it for about a minute on each actual spot of acne, I am going to go in for my last step of the day, which is going to be actually take some Advil and I'm going to crush it and make an acne mask. I took a bunch of Advils. I have like 6 or 7 of them in my hands, and I'm going to crush them. So now that I have my crushed up Advil, I'm going to take some water, preferably hot, and just sprinkle it on. And as you can see, it gets a little liquidy. Some of the pieces are starting to melt and everything like that, which is perfect because now it is creating more of a face mask-like substance. It looks really gross because there's red coating on it, but don't worry, the red coating has no harmful effects on your face or anything. But you see here, it's more of a mask type substance now. So now that it's all mashed and I've made it more into a substance type, I'm going to be taking the gel that we made and just putting it directly onto my pimples. Hey guys, I'm back. So I've had my acne Advil face mask on for about half an hour now. So what I'm going to do now is just rinse it all off. As a side note, just when you're rinsing it off, it actually works as an exfoliator also because there's little grains of the Advil on it. So when you're rubbing it off, you can just really get it all over your face. And it spreads the benefits and it also exfoliates the top layer of your skin to remove dead skin. So now my mask has been removed from my face. You really aren't going to be able to tell the benefits that it's going to do right away just because it was on your skin. It does irritate it a little bit. And when I took it off, I was exfoliating my skin. So it's red, it's puffy, but that's fine. It's only temporary. You know, a lot of us are stuck in quarantine and it's really hard because we're in a rut. We're doing the same thing, but we're in our house. So it's really hard. And something I've been suggesting to some of my friends is to really get up in the morning. Rather than staying in your pajamas all day, rather than not getting up for the day as though you would if you weren't in quarantine, do something like you would, whether it be do your hair, do your makeup, put on an outfit that makes you feel good so you're able to be a little bit more productive throughout the day. So I hope you all stay safe, you're happy, you're healthy, and truly that this leaves us soon. But for now, stay safe, and thank you guys for watching. I hope some of these tips help.